Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make these adorable Father's Day toy card holders using our free printable. Welcome back to Hanging with the Kiddos. I'm Latoya, and today I'm back in our printable studio showing you how to download this free printable from our website, print it out at home, and assemble it either by hand or with your Cricut machine.
Before we get started, let's go over the supplies you'll need for this project. First, I'm printing my labels on Party and Confetti glossy cardstock. You'll also need a Hot Wheels car, some 100% acetone, the free printable template, double-sided tape, and a pair of scissors or a craft knife to cut everything out. Now let's head over to our website so you can grab the free printable. Once you're on the blog post, just scroll down to the opt-in form and enter your email address to have the freebie sent directly to your inbox. If you're already a member of our free printable library, you can simply click the link to enter the library and use the password from one of your previous emails to access the download. Once you're inside the printable library, click on the Seasonal Printables tab and scroll down to the Father's Day section. Look for the Father's Day toy car card options. You'll see both a PDF version and a PNG version available to download. For this first method, we're going to start with the PDF option. Once the PDF opens, you can either download the file to your computer or print it directly from this screen. I'm just going to go ahead and print mine from here. After clicking the print button, scroll down to more settings and select Print Using System dialog. From here, I'm going to choose the printer I'm using, which is my Epson ET8550. Then I'll select the preset I already created for my glossy cardstock paper. I'll also show my printer settings on the screen so you can see exactly what I'm using. Since the Epson ET8550 is a photo printer, I usually leave my print quality set to standard because it already prints really high quality, vibrant images. Once all of your settings look good, you can go ahead and print your cards. Once your cards are printed, go ahead and carefully cut out the designs using a pair of scissors or a craft knife. For the small hook section at the top, I found it easier to use a craft knife to cut around those smaller areas more precisely. You'll also notice that I placed a piece of cardboard underneath my printable while using the craft knife. That's just to help protect my glass mat while cutting. Next, we're going to remove the toy car and plastic blister from the original packaging. To clean up the plastic blister, I'm using a small amount of 100% acetone on a Q-tip to remove any leftover paper or adhesive from the edges. I just pour a little bit of the acetone into the cap and dip my Q-tip into it as I work. Once the blister is clean, apply clear double-sided tape around the edges, then place the toy car back inside the plastic holder and attach it directly onto your printed card design. Now let's head back over to the printable library and download the PNG version of the template. The PNG file will download as a zip folder. Once it finishes downloading, you can either double-click the zip file or right-click and select Extract to unzip everything. Next, open Cricut Design Space and create a new project. Upload the PNG file from your computer and add it to your canvas. Once the image is uploaded, resize it to 4.25 by 6.5 inches. Then duplicate the design and line both labels up side by side so we can print 2 labels on one page. Next, select both labels and click Group. Once they're grouped together, click Attach. Now we're ready to print our labels. Click Make It. If you haven't already saved your project, you may be prompted to save it at this point. Next, select Send to Printer. I'm going to open the System Dialog settings again so I can choose my printer preferences. I'm going to choose the printer I'm using, which is my Epson ET8550. Then I'll select the preset I already created for my glossy cardstock paper. For the material setting, I'm using the preset setting for heavy cardstock 100 pound. Even though the paper I'm using is actually 65 pound, I found that this setting gives me a really clean cut for this project. Next, place the printed sheet onto your Cricut mat and load it into your machine. Cricut will scan the registration marks and cut the labels out automatically. Once the machine is finished cutting, carefully remove the labels from the mat. Now we can assemble the final project. Place the toy car back inside the cleaned plastic blister, then apply clear double-sided tape around the edges of the blister and attach it directly onto the finished label design.
And that's it. Your Father's Day toy car holders are now ready to give. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful. If you make this project, I'd love to see your creations. You can find the link to the free printable, the full blog post, and all the materials I use down in the description below. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy DIY printable projects, freebie tutorials, and creative craft ideas here on Hanging with the Kiddos. Thanks so much for watching and see you next time. Bye.